Alrighty, so today I am going to use this Bissell Little Green Max Pet. I got it on sale, $50 off. It was regular, I think, $139, $129. I got it for like 80 something, 80 bucks or so. So his dog had puked on my bed here. And, you know, there's just a couple of spots like right here. And so I'm reading the instructions. And I'm going to go ahead and start getting this set up. And we're going to see how this works. It also came with this little Oxy Spot and Stain Urine Eliminator Stain Protect. So I'm going to go ahead and let's try it out. Okay, so it says to grip the handle and lift this clean tank. Hold on. Okay, so it was this one that I had to grab. So I'm not going to fill it up too much because it's only a little section. So let's go do this now. Okay, so fill the water up to this line, and I'm going to add the cleaner a little bit below this line because I didn't fill it up quite up there because it's not a big area I'm cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and add the cleaner. It says to shake well. Yeah. Okay, a little more. That's good. So this part here, it's almost self-explanatory, but it's going to snap in. Boom. Okay. Now let's go plug it in. Get her working. Let's see if it'll work on this thing here. So I am going to have to get stain pre-treater and spray it on here and see if that'll work better. So, I looked at it after it dried up, and it looks better than what it was. I'm going to steam clean this again, as well as the stain looks lighter, and I didn't do that one yet. So I'm going to go over it again, steam clean it really thoroughly again, and we'll see how it looks after it dries, because I was almost ready to return this, and let's see how it's going to work. Using the scrub brush part here, there we go. Using the scrub brush part to scrub on it more to loosen this up. I've only had this mattress a year. And it's a good mattress. I got it at a great deal. And I really want to take good care of this. See, with it being wet, it just looks like it didn't come up. Okay, I don't know if you can see the spot. Let's see. Well, it looks better. Now I'm going to do this spot again. So, go ahead and get this done. This is looking really, really good. I believe when this dries, you will not see that anymore. Let's go ahead and set this all up. Oh yeah, this is going to be completely gone. And then perhaps the other one up there will be gone as well. Okay, so I know this is going to be gone when it dries. This spot and the other spot, we'll see how it is. But I'll show it to you after they all dry and see how it looks. Okay, you can barely see the stain. This came up really good. Still a tiny bit there. This one I'm just going to wait till this stuff dries more to see if it lightens up even more. It's been probably almost an hour, but this one, you could barely see it anymore. So we'll see when it's completely dry later on in the evening when I get home. See how it looks then. Alrighty, so see very little of that stain still there. You don't see this anymore. See how this one up here looks. I'm going to change out this pillow. I got some other ones. Teeny bit. So I would say it is 98% clean. I'm satisfied with it. Now I'm going to buy myself a cover to put over this before I put my sheet on so it don't get like this again.